Morning. So today, does this? Oh, um, yeah. I guess the bottom part of my screen is chopped off. So today I'm working on improving this Gaussian classifier. You can let's see the results I have. Okay. Have I not been to YouTube before? Weird. Um. Alright, so I have this video that's explaining what I did. I basically take how much is the spread changing for the home team, how much is the spread changing for the away team, and using that and fine-tuning it. I forgot exactly how I fine-tuned it, but I got some results where we generate, on average, positive returns. So don't worry about profit allocation, or don't worry about money management or anything like that. Just worry about placing the bets that we pick as winners. And then picking bets above a certain threshold certainty of winning, we see that we generate average positive returns. So can we increase returns by using implied probabilities? And then can we increase returns by applying the Kelly criterion? And then can we... Okay. So let's go here. Make heading 1. This one's going to be using implied probabilities. Make another one. Kelly criterion for bet sizing. Okay, so that's the stuff we want to do. Do we want to incorporate in-game Kelly today? I think if I just focus on that stuff, that would be good progress. Benchmark results. All right. So I've got to find, did I ever send myself that PowerPoint? Nope, I did not. All right, let me hide my screen real quick. I'm gonna go check my other email, but I don't want to share anything that could get me in trouble. Come on, thing. Oh, I should put a description into... All right, authenticator. Hey, nice. Don't need to reapply for a flu vaccine exemption. PowerPoint? Oh, yes. I do have it. Good. Thank God. I mean, I guess it should be repeatable. Okay. Okay, so I've already added in the implied probabilities, but before we really do that, we want to make this repeatable, so we could just go back and say, look, this is our first successful model. Here's how I improved it. What? Didn't I just download that? Did I? Oh, my screen's still not back. Okay, good. Don't I have that in downloads? Yeah. Okay, good. Exit out of that. Turn the screen back on. Cool. Now we could go open that up. So I already did this once. I got this analysis last December or January. Didn't do anything for 5 months. Then I repeated it. Now I've forgotten how to repeat it again. So we want this to just be in a script on its own. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Okay, so first thing we want to do is make the successful analysis repeatable. Start a new timer. Okay. Long pause in work. Did I put it in a notebook? Nice. So let's just open Anaconda, try to look at the notebook. I was working on, we have a laser for work, and we want to predict what the laser is going to do. So here I'm trying to simulate some laser outputs based on the requested, but you see it's pretty different, so not great. Where is it? Where is this stuff? Oh. Yeah, there are no Jupyter notebooks. Well, so much for that. We probably do want to put it in a notebook. And we probably do also want to organize everything. NFL bets. Okay. Now we have analysis 1. Where are Boolans? Test classifier, turn that off. Test region plot, perform optimization analysis. $2016. So if we're doing 7 years of training data, nine years of training data, or 7? Greater than or equal to 7 training years. So 7 training years for 2021 would be 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So we want to go 2014. Training years test. Years to train on, year. Training years test. Directory name is rectangle. Optimization / training years test / directory name. Rectangle invasion. Okay, that's all from last year. Wish I put it in here what I did. So this is varying number of years and varying the threshold. So we could do the same thing, just start with threshold of 0.4. Probably we should do all training years. Use classifier, optimize classifier, thresholds. Okay. Years to look back is okay, so optimized classifier is, what are we running? Class test. And then what's that? Okay, so now we want to see where's this called. Okay. Analysis 1, trend 3. I don't know if we need that. Get classifier. Alright, data type should be, what are the choices? Implied probability or odds. odds, trains, and tests the classifier on odds, data, implied probability, trains, and tests the classifier on implied probability data. Duh. Okay. Now we can say self.data type is equal to data type. Now we can see where get analysis is called, and we could say analysis type is equal to self.data type. Analysis type equals self.data type. And do we call it anywhere else? Nope. Okay. Now, class test, we should just pass in another one. Data type is string and defaults to odds. Okay. Classifier. Data type is equal to data type. Now when we're running class test, we pass in data type. And then optimize classifier. Optimize it on odds, and then let's turn optimize on. Okay, and then while we're optimizing, do we want to print anything? For threshold and thresholds for year and year, do the class test. Alright, is anything printing in class test? Censor all the printing in here. All right, then we print. And then we say threshold year /n, and let's print data. Take that out. That should work. (2024-09-08). Okay, this is 2024-09-21. And let's run it. Check one more time to see the Booleans, test classifier years, test classifier years. Oh no, we want optimize classifier. Test classifier. Oh, it is optimized classifier. Okay, so now we can just run. Yeah, we get it. Okay. Now I have to check to see if there's any chats. No chats, no views. Open this back up, resume. Okay. $5.36. What's the problem here? Click to add a breakpoint. I don't know what that is. 536. Wins, losses, win odds, loss odds. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, so now we're running the Gaussian process classifier. All right, I'm just gonna add a chat message. Hi, thanks for watching. Today I'm working on improving my Gaussian process classifier for predicting NFL games. Starting by the improvement process goes as follows. 1. Replicate results, positive results from previous classifier. 2, two is test the question, does using implied probability instead of odds improve the classifier? And then 3, add new data to classifier to see if the performance is still sufficient. Sufficient / acceptable for 2022 and 2023. Okay. 4, test classifier on week 1 and 2 from this season. 5 if the classifier is still good after steps 3 and 4, we can implement it for making picks this week. Okay, nice. So right now we're working on replicating positive results. We're on a threshold of 0.6 in 4 years. Oh, not bad, it's chugging along. Okay. So let's just let that be as it is. Test classifier, get training years plot. Optimize classifier V1. And then V1. And then here, let's put a comment explaining what we're doing. This is the optimization for 2007 through 20. Years to look back. (2007) to 2021. Don't touch. Okay. Now we want to see what happens with the classifier when we're using implied probability data. Could just import class test. Okay, so now we could say from analysis 1, import class test. Okay. Now let's do data is equal to class test known years, so let's just train on 3 years. Classifier type is equal to Gaussian process. Data type is equal to implied probability. And if we're having trouble with this, then we'll have to go look at the classifier. Where is the classifier? Oh, so that gets it for each year. Yep, so no returns. Classifier, I'm going to say classifier type is Gaussian process. Data type is implied probability. Okay, and get classifier. Training seasons. Twenty 2014, 2015, 2016. Let's test on 2017. Okay. Training seasons, training weeks. Four positional arguments were given. Get classifier seasons equals seasons. Oh. Don't care about the season we're testing on. We just want to get the classifier. Okay, then C.test classifier. What's that look like? Use classifier. From bet risk dot risk management. Import everything. Then we're just gonna say convert vig free odds. Get vig free odds. And we'll say that the home team swung 0.01 and the away swing swung minus 0.02. Okay, then we get the probability that each team will win. Analysis type is weeks. Test seasons. df equals that. What was the other problem? Oh, yeah. Okay, win odds and loss odds are returning nan. So okay. Win odds and loss odds are returning nan from get analysis. And I think this is why the classifier doesn't make any picks. All right, so that's what we have to figure out. Okay, good on that. I have to go to the bathroom again. Be right back. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm back and now I got music, so we'll really go fast. This is still running. Can't stay on your morphine, 'cause it's making me itch. I think I'll get out of here, where I can run just as fast as I can to the middle of nowhere. And I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, you're making me ill. Moved from the spot where you left me. .6 0. Why is it using a threshold of 0? Because it's making me itch. I think I'll get out of here, where I can run just as fast as I can. That should have been a dot and not a 0, yeah. Making me ill. Alright, so now I think that's a problem with the get vig free odds. You keep making me ill. Because it's making me itch. And I swear you're just like a pill. Home odds equals row data of implied probabilities of bet type to the middle of my frustrated fears. And I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, making me ill. Get vig free odds of home odds, away odds. Alright, let's go to data 3. Where is data 3? Okay, so where is it? Okay, so where is it? Okay. Okay, where is it? Okay. Cause you're waiting for me. No, 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 okay, so we don't have any NP nans here. My hopes and dreams, and just stay with me. Ooh, all my senses come to life. Wins, losses, win odds. Just promise me, or we can. Take my hand and away prob, swing. Alright, so where are we getting nans? So that's away prob swing, dot where, win condition. All my friends have come to find. Just promise me I'll always be a friend. Win condition. Alright, so now if we go win condition dot values, and then sum everything up. So there's 241 entries, to 136 where the home team wins. DF of pizza by gotta drop the nans off the end. No, I've known it for the longest time, and all of my hopes, all of my words. Alright, let's get rid of that line. Walking me home, 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 home. Alright, let's rerun it. Alright, now what if we do the analysis? Alright, now we've got the classifier. Use classifier. So did we do anything after we initialized it? No, no, cool. Now we want to go look at the output. Man, pain in the butt. Okay. My stomach. All right. So what do we want to do now? We want to go look at those results. No. Classifier variation. Okay, now we can read this CSV, classifier variation 2024 0921. df.where df.thresh df.training years greater than or equal to 7. Yeah, I should probably just run this again. I want to know if we're on the right track, though. DF dot. So we have training years, then we have then we want to get where the threshold is between. So our 0.5 is less than the threshold, which itself is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so at least 7 training years. Oh, yeah. So when we're using at least 7 training years and a positive threshold, we return positive or 0 every time. Okay, let's go back to analysis 1. Turn this on. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Classifier variation. Delete that. Go back to here. Okay, now we can run it. Very good. Okay, so that's running. This is going well, so let's see if we can fix this. Okay, so now that we aren't getting any NAs, the classifier seems to work. Okay, and then make successful analysis repeatable. Figure out how to isolate V1 so that it will not use any additional data that is added to the repository at later times. Okay, isolate this so that it continues being repeatable. Once that's isolated, okay, that shouldn't be hard. Optimize classifier, class test, year 0. Sat here singing la 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 la. Oh, this is doing it with 2 missing years. Let's go to class test. Okay, class test default does those seasons on the hotel floor. Class test V1. Okay. Class test V1 only uses 2007 through 2021. That won't, come on, quit for us. Okay. Check the booleans. Optimize classifier V1. Okay. We should terminate that again because 'cause we want to delete this. Don't want any of that data. Okay, nice. Back to that. And I'm not saying we should be taking a break. Alright, so what if we do C dot test classifier? Oh, Nina. You should go, Nina. Alright, we'll just test on 2021 because that's what it does by default. Placement threshold. Cool. C dot test classifier. Return total returned. Okay. What if we lower the threshold? Self dot. Okay. Okay, there's one data point at 0, 0. Is it because... test seasons. Why does test weeks default to none? Okay, so we're just... Why does test weeks default to none? Alright. No new chats. I'm gonna pause for a sec while I go to the bathroom again. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry, I forgot about that timer. All right. So, what do we want to do now? Okay. Gonna put some music on. Alabama, rejoins-moi. Alabama, juste toi et moi. Okay, we still only get one data point. Is it just one or is it a bunch? No, it's a bunch. Alabama, rejoins-moi. Alabama, juste toi et moi. Alabama. Alabama. Liaison. What do we think about this? So the implied probabilities are moving the same amount. Alabama, rejoins-moi. Je roule avec toi. Alabama. Alabama. Alabama, juste toi et moi. Okay, so we see deviations from the trend are removed when we use implied probability. Okay, we're feet don't fail me now. If we wanna soon, on a breaks one right step that I take. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. I don't know why. Let's go get high. Come take a walk on the wild side. Like a girl's insane. We were born to die. Lost, but now I am found. I was used as a little child. All the answers, honey. Don't make me sad. Don't make me cry. The road gets rough, I don't know why. Let's go get high. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You like your girls insane. Okay. Pouring rain. You like your girls insane. Don't make me lie, don't make me cry. Keep making me laugh, let's go get high. In the meantime, come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. Forgot to start the timer again. Okay. Oh shit. Damn it. Forgot to turn off the automatic functions. It's doing it again. Oops. So stupid. I forgot to turn that off. Nice. Oh. Good. Okay, implied probability from just odds on each team, not the true probability, gives the variation we want. And my stomach is sick. He takes off her dress now. I just can't look, it's killing me and taking control. Jealousy. Alright, let's change placement threshold. Okay. Alright, so I placed every bet. I never. Okay, so now go here. Add strategy to classifier. Okay. Thanks for watching, those of you who are watching. I gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back. Okay, so you probably want to mess around with the threshold a little bit. Okay. Okay, so using a placement threshold doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, so 582, we're placing 46 bets and losing money, but if we raise it to 583, we're not placing a single bet. So, okay, so then if we do 0.5, we're placing every bet. Okay, then allocation strategy equals none. If allocation strategy in none fractional Kelly, if allocation strategy not one of those, then we could raise an exception. Allocation strategy must be one of okay, then bet amount equals 1 if placement, if allocation strategy is equal to none. Otherwise, okay, get rid of that. If allocation strategy is equal to none, then do that. Else, Win odds, loss odds, win probs. Okay. Let's look. Did this stuff save? Yep. Import pandas. Now let's look at this. DF. How did I do that again? $20.24. Oh, this is the right one. $20.24 underscore 0921. Okay. I'm sorry, I gotta go to the bathroom again. Be right back. Okay, and I gotta set that when I get back. All right, and I'm back. All right, here we go. It's 8 a.m. I don't know when I started, maybe a couple hours ago. Let's go. We want to get good results. Never coming home. Even today, I just stare at the web. Orange touches all things around. Alright, so now let's get the data frame. And we want to get where threshold greater than 5. Alright, use classifier, optimize classifier. Waiting all night. Dancing in your bus from bulb light. When you try to speak. Huh, weird. I thought there'd be a plotting function in there. Where df dot training years is greater than 7 dot drop in A tells me you're never coming home. The orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and dew. Alright, so if we're using a threshold of at least 0.5, yeah. Optimize classifier v1 has output in classifier variation 2024 0921.csv. All right. So let's don't touch that. Let's just start with import pandas as PD. When I die, Lord, oh, won't you put my soul up on a train? But on the south side of heaven, won't you kick me home? Out for so long, and Lord, it's getting cold. All right, so now we want to know, why does use implied probabilities not work? This whole region, it's saying, is improbable, and everything is basically being assigned the same probability. been a desperado in West Texas for so long, Lord, I need a change. Analysis type equals self.data type. Yeah. So if we pass data type into classifier, got to start this. Check to see if there's any comments. Nope. All right. So we're stuck on this thing. If we're using the probability, I mean, this makes sense. The question is, can we actually use anything from this then? Lonesome highway roll on. Alright, let's make some. Does the classifier pick anything if we train on the above? Yes, but it seems like ain't nothing but a change in pace. Okay, 0.1 minus 0.1. Test classifier. Oh, use classifier. All right. Okay, so this is bad when it's predicting implied probabilities. Let's say it's barely swinging for the home team. Positive swing for the home team. And a positive swing for the away team. Rifle was a 2-4 to 3. So it should go with the away team there. Here it should go with the home team. Taught me how to shoot with a steady hand. Yeah, I don't know what that's doing. Predict prob A. Pulls a shine from a mason jar. Oh. Sit out on the front porch. Come on, load. Yeah. All right, so what's Grandma's in the kitchen. Papa done passed on. Just a picking on a song. Tear it all apart. Papa's done passed on. Return probability estimates for the test vector x. Zero and one. So a 0 is a loss, 1 is a win. So that gives the probability of a home win and away win. So we're saying it's swinging hard for the away team. Then it says we're going to get an away win. Rise through crooked teeth. Okay. I'll be right back. Alright, now it's 8:22. Let's pound through and work till 9:22. Any chats? Nope. Good to go. Oh, I need my phone. Put your name at the top of his list, and the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist, and an eagle will fly. Gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell. Yeah, something's wrong with this. Brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Justice will be served and the battle will rage. Big dog will fight when you battle his cage. Alright, so then we'll put a boot in your ass. It's the American way. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list, and the Statue of Liberty starts shaking her fist, and the eagle will fly. And it's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell, and it'll feel like the whole wide world is raining down on you. Oh, brought to your courtesy. Okay. Then if we're dealing with implied probability, we want to do this. Wow. Of my red, white, and blue. Okay. So it should go from 0 to 1. Linearly separable. Working all day. Overtime hours. For bullshit pay. So I can sit out here and waste my life away. And my mother away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to for people like me and people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Living in a new world with an old soul. Alright. They all just wanna have total control. Wanna know what you think, wanna know what you do. And they don't think you know, but I know that you do. 'Cause your dollar ain't shit, and it's taxed to no end. 'Cause a rich man, not a rich man. Look out for miners, not just miners on an island somewhere. God, if you're 5'3" and you're 300 pounds, 6 feet in the ground. Just keep on pushing them down. Lord, it's a damn shame. People like me, people like you, wish I could just wake up and it not be true. But it is, oh it is, living in a new world with an old soul. Richmond, north of Richmond. Total control. Cause a rich man, north of Richmond. Bullshit pay, so I can sit out here and waste my life away. Go back home and drag my mother away. So the low should be -1. No, low should be 0. Alright. Just take the max of this. Do 1,000. 100,000. Don't know if it's you. What is that? Why are we adding Make classification. Same exact thing. Okay, so let's just make a file. I had some help. Hell, I had some help. So why is that X still... let's put in the debugger here. Alright, make classification. Generate a random n-class classification problem. Make classification. N features equals 2. N redundant equals 0. N informative random state equals 1. So there's something wrong when we're doing this. All right, so we have to figure out basically our problem here is we're not generating the features correctly. If none, then features are scaled by a random value drawn in 1 to 100. So maybe we could say scale equals 1. Back to that. So what's going wrong with use classifier? Okay, so we're gonna have to troubleshoot that. I think I'm gonna call it for this stream. Thanks for watching. Go to my GitHub. You want the data for this project? Go to the GitHub. You could make your own thing for your own classification algorithm or machine learning, whatever, go just copy this repository, star it, all the data is in here. Yeah. Go to this repository, get it, star it, go to my YouTube, follow me.